Wafafetai Telalava, Deputy Commissioner Leotawa Sam, for that inspiring prayer. It's always great to follow that with a joining of all of us as we are getting together. This is like a wedding, right? We just had Samoa and Nevada. We're here together, and now we're going to experience our new bliss of our new newlywed life together. Okay, so I guess I'll just Acting CEO, or Assistant CEO of Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, Assistant Commissioner of Samoa Fire and Emergency Service Authority, Acting Commissioner of Police, Prisons and Correction Services, distinguished participants from our 3 partner agencies from the government of Samoa. Thank you for members of the media for coming, and ladies and gentlemen, Fafetai Leafifo Mai Matala Mai Ao. Today marks a significant moment as we come together to celebrate the inauguration of the state partnership between the government of Samoa and the Nevada National Guard from our great state of Nevada in the United States. After months of virtual discussions, we are gathered here today for the next steps discussions to conduct subject matter expert exchange, S.M.E.E, as we call it. You'll get to know all of our new acronyms because we in the United States love acronyms, maybe as much as you do as well. Well, through this partnership, the National Guard from the state of Nevada, along with the Ministry of Police, Prisons, Corrections, Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, and the Samoa Fire Emergency Service Authority, unite in friendship and cooperation under the National Guard State Partnership Program. Samoa joins the Kingdom of Tonga and the Republic of Fiji as Pacific Island partners with Nevada National Guard. So we are extremely excited to see this come to fruition. You know, we signed in July last year, and now we're in February, and we did our best to get this started, but it's like a train engine to get it going. It takes a little bit of time. So hopefully, once it starts going, that we'll be able to keep going and faster. This partnership with the government and the people of Samoa aims to enhance the overall state partnership program within the Blue Pacific, fostering the collaboration and cooperation between our 2 countries. It reflects our joint commitment to disaster preparedness, disaster management, humanitarian assistance, climate change response, search and rescue operations, law enforcement, professional development, and together we aim to foster a more peaceful world by leveraging our collective expertise and resources. As we embark on this journey of collaboration, let us embrace the opportunities for growth and mutual understanding. May this partnership strengthen the bonds between our nations and pave the way for safer, more resilient future for all. In closing, I do extend my heartfelt appreciation to everyone who has contributed to bringing this day to fruition, both from the government of Samoa and the Nevada National Guard team. Together, we are not just building resilience, but also fostering relationships that will empower our region to meet future challenges with unity and strength. Thank you, and may the state partnership program be a resounding success for all. And I do want to say we call this an exchange, a state partnership program. And I think that's the key word I want all of us to remember, that it is a partnership. We're here together because we want to learn from you as much as you want to learn what Nevada does. We want to exchange ideas. We also have in mind that you have a great big event coming up this year. I also want to add that Nevada just finished a great big event called the Super Bowl. It's a small little event. So I think there's a lot of exchange of ideas, experiences, what could have been done better or what could have happened, or what ifs, right? So I want you to please keep that in mind, that it is an exchange. So exchange means you can't just absorb what's coming into you. Please feel free to speak your mind. These are all your colleagues here that you will all work together this year with Chagam. So, sometimes it's hard to bring everybody together because everybody's so busy every day. But this is an opportunity to come together within your own agencies and exchange ideas, network. And so we will have a networking opportunity next week. So we want to look forward to that as well. But please participate. And part of the reasons why we do this Hello, My Name Is, because we want you to say, hi, my name is so-and-so, and you are? Oh, great, nice to meet you. I had no idea that you were there. Or you're my third cousin, did you know that? Which could be very highly likely here in Samoa. But anyway, Fafetai Telelava, Soifua Maia Manuia.
Your Excellency, Ms. Noriko Hori Uchi, our guests good friends from Nevada who are with us this morning, ACEO of DMO, ACEO of FESA, and everyone who are here this morning. I'm standing before you as the representative of the Samoan government to acknowledge the U.S. Embassy and also Nevada for actually deciding to sign up this partnership last year with Samoa. As Her Excellency stated, this was signed last year, and we have now come into discussing moving this partnership forward. And as a member of the Samoa Police, we are very honored to be part of this partnership, because we know as islanders, we rely on the support of our donors to help elevate the services that we provide to our people. So thank you very much for making this a reality for Samoa. We understand that Nevada has previously signed with Tonga and Fiji, and we are the 100th country, I think I heard, was the 100th country that participated in this type of partnership. So we're very fortunate for a very tiny Pacific island to be part of this partnership, because we understand that through this is going to help our agencies, not just police, FESA, DMO, provide the best services to our people. And without this partnership, we would not have had the opportunity to learn from others as how we can better serve our people. So thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your ongoing support to Samoa and also to the Samoa Police. You've been a very good friend to Commissioner and also to our Minister. And so we know that you have always pushed this to become a reality. So thank you very much. I guess for our agencies who are here this morning, this is the opportunity for us to learn as much as we can, but also share our local knowledge as to help our colleagues from Nevada learn from us as well as to how we respond to different security threats and also environmental issues that we continue to face as an island. And also for our police colleagues, use the opportunity that we have to share our skill sets and also to look at where opportunities where we can continue to work with our colleagues from Nevada as to how we can improve ourselves. So on behalf of the Samoan government, thank you very much to the United States of America. I know that this is only the beginning of a long journey, and we hope that this journey will take us far as to how we will serve our people. Thank you very much. Mai Emanuele Neyas.